Today's star of the shave is Heritage Hill Patriot. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today we're doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Heritage Hill Patriot Soap and Splash. I'm also using PAA, that's a Phoenix Artisans Accoutrement Eclipse aluminum slant razor with the Gillette platinum blade. I'm also using the Alpha Shaves and Brushworks brush with a synthetic knot, and of course my trusty TRC lather bowl and a beautiful bougie sprayer. As you can see, I really fell down the rabbit hole of bougie sprayers. I keep saying that a lot, but also I fell down matching things, getting things color coordinated or as close as possible, and oh my god. This is a beautiful soap and beautiful soap base. It's my first time using it. Oh my god, it smells like a clean, fresh scent. Bravo, Heritage Hill. Oh man. So what can we shave and chat today about? Got a lot of things on my mind. Have a lot of meetings coming up this week. I don't know what to say. Always trying to improve my life. Try to improve my life to better myself and to be better for those around me that really love and support me. Look at this beautiful lather. So yeah, I come to a point in my life where I'm becoming older, more mature, and I'm appreciating what I have, but also keeping things simple. You know, I don't have that many hobbies. You know, as you can tell, wet shaving is one of them. Sports, cooking, baking, work out when I can, and that's it. And I'm happy with that. I'm happy with, yeah, I want more friends in person, but I'm happy with the online support I get. This is a pretty aggressive razor. Not only because it's a slant, but usually, it has a lot of blade exposure and it's a blade gap. You can actually see the blade, yeah. And also the angle, from what I understand. Now, I have a couple of other slants that are the opposite, very mild. And I enjoy using them too. And I've been misusing this Eclipse blue aluminum one. Oh my god, this is a killer soap base. Like, I know I keep repeating this, but we are truly living in the golden age of wet shaving. It's not because of the great products, and these products are great, my people. But it's the people behind it, the people who buy these products. I know I sound like a broken record. Maybe this is a shave and chat that I sound like I keep repeating the same things over and over again. But hey, if you're mostly alone with only their pets or cats or family, you don't got that much to talk about. But sometimes talking about what you have already, maybe I hear people say, talk like you already have something. It manifests. That's why I hear people saying it changes your station in your head, your vibration, your frequency. And now all that energy attracts to it. I hear a lot about that. I've been watching. I like, me, my main entertainment besides shaving is YouTube. And I love YouTube. I watch these shows from England where they restored these old classic homes, grade 1 or grade 2, or they build on it and expand, or there's a block where they're trying to get people to buy their own land and build their own homes and different styles and stuff. So I don't need to do much buffing with this, because after the first pass it gets like I do I do with the grain, across the grain, and then for me against the grain. So yeah, look at me all over the map. Oh, where was I? Oh, not much to talk about, not much in my life. Appreciate what I have. Great soap base, great soap. Simple. Sometimes simple is better than complex, or sometimes. Hey, I'm getting to the point. Sometimes quality is better than quantity. You know. And as I get older, I'm learning that. I love doing these shaving chats. Even though I know I'm not actually talking to someone, I feel like people are spiritually or energetically connected to me, and it makes me feel better afterwards. And also having a great shave. I'm gonna go gusto with this baby. So let me know in the comments what makes you happy in life. What simple things you like and you wouldn't change. What do you like to watch on YouTube besides wet shaving and wet shaving content? I want to know more about you. Favorite food, stuff like that. Hopefully, in a couple of weeks, I'll have more to talk about. That's a hope, but I have faith I will. Let's go for this third pass. BBS. What aspect of a shave brings out the best part of you, or that you enjoy doing, or that makes you happy? Because doing this is not only to look good, but it's this pampering. And we all need to pamper ourselves, especially now. In a positive way, because there are people who do things that they consider pampering, but in the long run, it's very negative. Oh man. I'm gonna rinse off. I look at this as another form of therapy, of another form of mental health. It's helping me talk a lot, express myself. I just am so grateful for this wet shaving community and family. Or the community I call my family. And oh man, beautiful product, beautiful. Let me get this to the splash. I'm gonna be generous. You see all that nice nutrients on my face. Wow. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Thank you. Let's go over the lineup again. My beautiful bougie sprayer. My Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Eclipse razor, aluminum blue with a Gillette Platinum in it. Alpha Shaveworks brush and soap, synthetic with a synthetic knot. My beautiful bougie sprayer. And of course, the star of the shave is Heritage Hill Patriot. Wow. If you have time Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone, go to Instagram, The Razor Company, and watch 4 great people talk about wet shaving and great audience. And for all your needs, go to therazorcompany.com and remember, you are special.